Hello chess lovers, welcome to the complete chess endgame masterclass. First of all, thank you so much for choosing this course. This is Sangam Mukherjee, teaches more than 5000 students on Udemy. In this full course, I will cover each and every aspects and variation of chess endgames and makes you a hard-rated chess player. That much guarantee I can give you. So what is the aim of this course? My aim is always just to start the ball rolling and help you to think about chess in a different and more coherent way. Everything we learn, we will try to understand to the level where it can be used in a practical game. I wanted to teach good principle in the endgame and to show some classic examples. My prime objective is to spark your interest in analysis and investigation of chess position. Because always search for truth and never pass something by without understanding it. We will start our journey from pawn endgames and discuss knight, rook, bishop, queen and king endgame one by one in complete details. So that's all for this video. I leave it here, and again I welcome everyone to this endgame masterclass. Let's play some chess. Thank you.